Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create your own green screen video on CapCut PC. So actually I'm just going to cut out, and I'm just going to select the auto cutout, sorry, not the chroma key, on this video, and I'm just going to find like a green screen background. So I'm just going to type in green screen, and I'm just going to select the first one here. I'm also just going to add it to the end of the video, and you're just going to basically export it. Just going to adjust this a little bit, and then when you upload it, people can now use this as a green screen, which I think is pretty cool. So when you have exported it, this is how they will use it. They'll put it like on top of another video, then they'll go to the cutout section, they'll go to chroma key, select the green screen, and they'll adjust the strength and shadow and whatnot. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!